Hey guys, so wanna win sugar products worth rupees 2000? Well, then you have to watch this video till the end to know about it.
Hi everyone, today's video is all about concealer and contouring hacks. My foundation is already on. Choose a concealer which is 2 to 3 shades lighter than your skin tone. This is the Magic Wand concealer in the shade Corn Panna. Apply it on the inner corner of your under eye as well as the outer corner for a lift. Also carve out your eyebrows, the center of the forehead, the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow and chin, and use a concealer blending brush to gently dab in the concealer to blend the product easily as well as to get a lot of coverage from your concealer. To contour, I'm using the face forward contour stick in the shade Espresso Edge and apply it right on the hollows of your cheeks, angling from the top of your ear till the corner of your mouth. Also apply the same contour on the perimeters of your forehead, on your jawline, on the sides of the nose to make your nose look slender, and around the mouth area to make your lips look pouty. I'm adding a bit of color on my face, so this is the face forward stick blush in the shade Mauve Marble. I'm applying it right above the cream contouring to add a lift and color on my cheeks. To add a subtle glow onto the skin, I'm taking the Only Lights liquid highlighter and just dotting a little bit on the tops of my cheekbones, on the bridge of the nose and on my cupid's bow. I'm taking a slender, stiffer buffing brush and blending my contour in upward stroke to get a nice lift on my cheeks, blending the contour on the perimeters of my forehead into my hairline. Make sure to use gentle dabbing motion. I'm taking a different brush to blend out the blusher. Again, lift it upward so that you get a nice chiseled effect on your cheeks. Once the blusher has been blended out, I'm going to blend out the highlighter as well using the same brush and in dabbing motion. After that, it's important that you set and bake your face. I'm using the Set the Tone loose powder in the shade Chocochino here, and here is the final finished look.
Well, that's it for today. So guys, here's the time for the surprise. All you have to do is keep showering us with all your love by liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on our channel, and we will pick a lucky winner every single week as a fan, and you will be getting some exciting sugar products. So keep the comments and likes coming. Good luck!